Invoke is proud to launch another first-of-its-kind identity verification feature for LA Wallet, VerifyYou Remote Verify. Remote VerifyYou offers businesses and organizations the ability to securely verify an individual's identity from a remote location. If you receive a request to verify your identity using Remote VerifyYou, you must have a mobile device, the LA Wallet app, an LA Wallet account, and your valid Louisiana license or ID must be added to the app. Once you are requested to verify your identity and are provided a unique Remote VerifyYou code, log into your LA Wallet app. Select the VerifyYou button from the bottom menu, then select the Remote VerifyYou button. Enter the unique code provided by the representative, select Done on the keyboard, and select Next. You will be given the opportunity to review the requester's information, which is generated by the LA Wallet VerifyYou system. Be sure that the name of the representative, the company or organization name, and the purpose of the verification all correspond to the transaction taking place. If for any reason the information provided does not correspond, or you do not wish to send the personal information requested, select Reject. Once you've confirmed the requester's information and agreed to send the personal information as listed, select Approve to complete the remote identity verification. If you have any questions about using VerifyYou Remote Verify, please contact LA Wallet Support.